All right, as usual, they get a minute to perform. 3 contestants here with us, and Jermaine is here to help Simone with the judging. Always wondered where some of these names come from. But our first contestant is Imperial Tantrum. Run the track.
Good morning, Jamaica. Pick up yourself, the judges, yeah. PVJ, say no, 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 whoa, whoa, no, 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 oh, no. So what you know? You tell me to get try love before. You never made a connection. You're making all the same mistakes with all your selections, oh girl. But if you come my way, I can show you all the corrections. You sing I'm like every other man, so you know what my direction. But girl, you're my heart's desire, everything I require. Left my soul in a fire, girl. You say from love you retire, and sometimes you can't bother. Not every man a liar, girl. And it's so sad to say, life can feel this type of way. But any day you decide to change.
Easy, Imperial Tantrum. Jermaine, out of 5?
I'd say about 3.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would give about 3.5.
Melody sweet, eh?
Yeah, nice, you know, nice.
3.5. Yeah. Yep.
There you go. So that's what, 7? All right. Why Guns? That's the name? Yeah. Run the track.
Yeah, Dave.
Tell her we a girl do me hurt me and hurt herself. Tanana no, a boy goes Jamaica. Hey, me get a girl pregnant and she go kill the baby with her set hand. Boy, hey, girl, why you kill that belly? I wanna know, boy, why you kill that child? Say you job telling lie, now you're having nightmare. She start to cry, say yeah, that make you life dog. Jaja lock every lights off Jamaica. Them girl they a killer, she's like a walking dead in a the villa. She walk fast, once say me she way in ya at the baby voice cry out mommy in her. Hey again, the breast milk way in her breast. I the dead baby dinner so me shout out. Them girl they a.
All right. Why Guns? Jermaine?
About 1.059.
32.
All right, me round it off.
Yeah.
1.
It's a serious topic. Makes you think. Hear the message. Delivery could have been a little better, so I'm going to give him 2.5.
There you go. 3.5.
2.5.
Yeah, but
yeah. Okay.
And finally, Yardie Animal.
Do you know what it feels like to have a good friend? I mean, a good friend to the end. Man, honey man. Good friends are good friends. Good friend can't tell you nothing make you bend. Cause when the things steer we and them see you it's steer, you not fi call up on them. When good friends turn enemy and the situation get ugly, man I grab up like a rugby. Them they game me no play, no not me. When good friends turn enemy and the situation get ugly, man I'll fight over money. Them they game me no play, no not me. I rather walk away and don't say a word. I know me you attack to man me never heard. Now take me friend me and my carry on no curve. Now give no man less than what them deserve. I mean now forget when we were more than friends. You never see me yet and you no see me brethrens. People used to ask me if we were twins, cause we even used to siblings.
Yeah, the animal.
Say it again, Tiger. Yes.
Jermaine?
Oh.
Yeah, but I got 2.5. I mean,
Right.
the truth is if him they go look harder too, because the song have a vibe, you know what I mean? If you go look harder, him coulda. Yeah.
I agree. So you remember me standing on the turbines, but standing voice, same resonance, but standing voice, stronger. I'm going to give him the same.
All right, so 5. So contrary judges, and we're not taking any calls, Imperial Tantrum